This property is one of a lifetime opportunity. It's located in an area called the Bird Street. It's a short drive up from Sunset, and we are right at the border of Beverly Hills. The most expensive homes are located in this area. It is about 15,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and a huge master suite with his and hers bath. It offers all what a buyer can dream of. There is a total of 7 bathrooms and 3 powder rooms. There's an elevator and a custom-made 12-seat movie theater, wine room, a spa, a luxurious infinity pool. One of the very attractive points about buying this property right now is that you will have the possibility to pick the finishes to make it your own personalized home. You will have the exclusive opportunity to work with the most talented, worldwide famous designer, Roman Jen.